Financial tools known as money market instruments assist businesses, organizations, and governmental entities in raising short-term loans for their requirements. The lenders profit from interest rates and liquidity while the borrowers affordably cover their short-term needs. Bonds, Treasury bills, CDs, commercial paper, etc. are examples of money market instruments. In today's video, we will learn about the types of money market instruments in simple language. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. So watch this video till the end and hit the subscribe button. And click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So let's begin the video. Money market funds. Only businesses and financial organizations that lend and borrow money in sums ranging from $5 million to far over $1 billion per transaction are allowed to participate in the wholesale money market. Individual investors can purchase baskets of these products from mutual funds. Such funds' net asset values, NAV, are supposed to remain constant at $1. One fund dropped below that amount during the financial crisis of 2008. Due to the subsequent market panic and large withdrawal from the funds, access to riskier assets was ultimately further restricted. Money market accounts. One kind of savings account is the money market account. Although some issuers give account holders restricted powers to periodically withdraw money or write checks on the account, they all pay interest. Federal laws set limits on withdrawals. The bank instantly transforms it to a checking account if they are surpassed. A money market account normally receives a monthly credit from the bank along with daily interest calculations. Money market accounts typically offer marginally better interest rates than traditional savings accounts. However, since the financial crisis of 2008, the spread between rates for savings and money market accounts has shrunk significantly. Depending on the amount deposited, money market account average interest rates change. The best money market account with no minimum deposit was yielding 0.56% yearly interest as of August 2021. Certificates of deposit, CDs. Because most certificates of deposit, CDs, are sold with maturities up to 10 years, they are not exactly money market funds. There are, however, CDs with durations as short as 3 to 6 months. Longer durations and larger deposits produce higher interest rates, much like with money market accounts. Rates for 12-month CDs varied from roughly 0.50% to 0.70% in August 2021, depending on the size of the deposit. The rates associated with a CD are fixed for the duration of the deposit period, unlike those of a money market account. An early withdrawal of monies invested in a CD is typically subject to a fee. Commercial paper. Businesses in need of a quick infusion of capital can acquire and sell unsecured loans on the commercial paper market. Because only very creditworthy businesses take part, the risks are minimal. Bankers' acceptances. A short-term loan that is guaranteed by a bank is the banker's acceptance. A banker's acceptance, which is frequently used in international trade, is comparable to a post-dated check and provides assurance that the importer will be able to pay for the products. Bankers' acceptances can be bought and sold at a discount in a secondary market. Eurodollars. Eurodollars are deposits maintained in foreign banks that are denominated in dollars and are not controlled by the Federal Reserve. Eurodollar deposits in banks in the Bahamas and Cayman Islands are very sizable. They pay somewhat more interest than U.S. government debt, so money market funds, international banks, and big businesses invest in them. Repos. Repurchase agreements, repo, sometimes known as repos, are a component of the overnight lending money market. Treasury notes or other government assets are sold to a third party with the promise to buy them back at a specified price, on a specified date. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.